Ashley Nicole. I'm from Hazelton, BC. I'm just gonna quickly do up a easy drink dessert. It has to do with coffee creamer. Yeah, easy iced coffee. I'm going to be using this instant coffee Logic. I don't know. How do you pronounce that? I say Logic. With Tetra Blend coffee, 4 benefits: mood, focus, memory, health, brain, aging. I'm also going to use the creamer, Logic creamer. CMCTS and grass-fed butter for high-quality brain fuel. It also has collagen, HA matrix in there. This is 267 grams. And this one, it comes in a pack of 30. So this will last you a month if you drink coffee once a day. And I'm gonna use my new toy, my frother toy. I was gonna use my new cup, but it's too small for this drink. This one you can use, blend any hot or cold beverage in seconds. Our cordless frother makes it easy to blend the perfect serving of Logic with Tetra Blend coffee and Logic creamer. No matter where you are, the high-speed whisking head only takes seconds to add froth to a cup of coffee, hot chocolate, smoothies, floats, and more. Quick and easy to use, great for a hot or cold beverage. Sleek cordless design allows you to blend right in your cup. Stands up or lays flat for convenient display and storage. Plastic body and stainless steel wand. Lightweight, compact, and travel friendly. So this uses 2 AA batteries, which is not included, and you have to hand wash it. Do not immerse the plastic body in water. So first we're going to start with the creamer. And there's a scoop that already comes with it. So I'm just going to use 1 scoop. Pour that in the cup. So the time now is 3 minutes is 1. This is our Logic coffee, instant coffee. Coffee creamer. Not open yet. Pour a little bit in there. I'm gonna open up my frother for the first time. Hi, Elizabeth. Look at this cute frother. Hopefully these batteries work. Hey, Moose. Hi Charmaine, hi Janice. So this one says plus side down, and then the minus on the other side. Hi my baby, hi grandma. Hopefully this works because I just grabbed used batteries. Come on. Ooh, it works. So this is my frother. It's so quiet. Hi, Pamela. This is so cute. This is my first time using it. See, it's getting all creamy. So I just mixed our Logic coffee creamer. Comes with 1 scoop. And then International Delight Southern Butter Pecan. This one's so yummy. And then when you mix these two together, it smells like cake, the rainbow cake batter. Now I'm just gonna add the coffee in there and mix it up. Just 1 package. And mix that up too. Nice and mixed up. Now I'm just gonna add cold water. You can see all of our food in there and beer. Save some room for the milk. But just use cold water. Hi Gemini, hi Katie. So the coffee's pretty much all blended now. Now I'm just gonna add the milk. Oh, the ice and then the milk. I'm just gonna flip you guys around again. Hi Tiffany. Hi Boo, Katie. So I'll probably add like maybe 4 ice cubes for now. And then add a little bit of milk. It's so creamy on the top. Oops, I wasn't supposed to get the plastic wet. You always want a coffee late at night with you. I know, it's like a dessert. So I added the ice and the milk in there already. Oh my god, it's so good. Add some more deliciousness. Oh my god. Look at how good that looks. I want some now. Oh, it tastes so good. I should open up like my own coffee shop. Just kidding. But need good ingredients for it. Do you have the coffee and creamer, Tiffany? Oh yeah, I forgot to see. So I started at the 3-minute mark and now it's 12 minutes. Yes. No mustache. No, I don't. Oh, Tiffany. No mustache. It's not Movember yet. It's so yummy. And it didn't even take me that long to make it. 9 minutes to make it. I wasn't supposed to get the plastic part wet. Oopsies. But yeah, my first time using it and it's probably broken. Ooh! Just like coffee everywhere. Yeah, that's the frother. It was so much faster using the frother instead of hand mixing it. Air it out. Yeah, I got some coffee on my phone too. And see if these guys want to try a sip. Want to try a sip? It's so yummy. Iced coffee. There's no sugar in there.
That is delicious. You're gonna love that.
It's just regular iced coffee.
Is that like coffee grounds or?
Mm-hmm. Instant coffee.
Man, that is good.
Okay, so if you guys missed it, if you guys missed how I made it, I could quickly tell you guys, or I can message you guys the recipe. So all I did first was our Logic creamer, and there's a scoop in there already, so you don't have to use like a tablespoon. I don't know how much is the table or in the scoop, but I used 1 scoop of that. I put it in the cup first, And then I use International Delight. That obviously has sugar, but how many sugar? Only 6 grams of sugar. And I used my frother, and then it got all creamy. And then I added my Logic coffee, the 1 package. And this is instant coffee. You could drink it hot or cold, but I prefer mine to be cold coffee. And that I use cold water after I mix all 3 ingredients, and then I put a little bit of milk in there, and then I topped it off with some whipped cream and some ice. And it's delicious. I'm gonna finish it all in the video again, just like last time. Last time, what did I make? I made a whipped iced coffee. It's so yummy. You could probably do this, like, use hot water too. But yeah, if anybody wants to try this instant coffee, if you drink coffee every day, you might as well have the healthy coffee. This one is 4 benefits: mood, focus, memory, healthy brain aging. It also has collagen HA matrix in there. Dietary supplement. There's 30 packages in one of these boxes. There's coffee bean, bacopa leaf extract, liquid biocell. So it also has a dose of the liquid gold I always talk about, is liquid biocell. Hyaluronic acid, so that's like pretty much like skincare stuff. So the Inside Out Beauty is what we have a bundle of, where it's like skincare line, the biocell. The biocell helps with osteoarthritis. And it's caffeine from the green tea leaf extract. Sugar-free, dairy-free, and gluten-free. But yeah, message me. We finally got the coffee and the creamer on the Canadian website, because we have a US and a global and Canadian website. We just finally got these on the Canadian site. Coffee creamer and instant coffee. Collagen is the best, because when we age, we don't produce as much as collagen anymore. As to when we were younger, we used to produce lots. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving weekend. I was gonna say day. Hope you guys are staying safe. Much love to you all. Message me if you want the recipe.